Thumper Fab bumper got here, thanks to Jeff Kester. Talked to him last week and ordered it up, and here it is on my doorstep. I was waiting impatiently for the UPS man to show up. I actually took it off his truck. Really heavy, box is taped up really nice, really heavy duty cardboard, so we're gonna tear it open and see what we got. Taped and stapled, actually. A lot taped and stapled. Look at that. Look at the inside of this box. This baby's lined like there's literally gold inside. 5 layers thick, including the outside of the box. No worry that there's going to be any sort of issue. Imagine this is hardware. Some hardware. This is the rear lights. Rear LEDs for the bumper, one on each side. Nice thick pigtail. Set those off to the side for now. Stickers. It's at least 5 horsepower right there. Not sure what this is. Here's the whole wiring harness. Let's see what we got here. Wiring harness, relay. For all the winch and the lights. Really good quality connectors. Rocker switch for the rear lights. Brackets. Now for the exciting part. Oh, Thumper Fab book, 2020 catalog. Wow, is this thing heavy? Wow. This is a bumper. That is a bumper. Take the phone from my lovely assistant here. Thanks, sweetheart. All right. Beautiful welds. Finish is really nice. I guess you could say the brackets are beefy. Wow. It's completely rolled over on the underside. Yeah, that is made to last. That's the kind of gusseting you see on a full-size truck aftermarket bumper. I don't think we we have any issues or any worries of bending this thing. Very cool. Very, very cool. Okay, so we're gonna do a install on this baby. What else we got in the box here? Brackets. And then these would be the covers for the lights. Let's take a look at those. See what these look like. Everything is taped up, wrapped up, really, really good. Definitely no issues. Thanks, babe. Definitely no issues with shipping on this. Individually wrapped. Really nice finish. Really, really nice finish. All right, I kind of got everything laid out. Here's the rear LED lights. Winch ready harness. Light rocker switch. Got our hardware. Got our light covers. Got our brackets. Here's just a quick rundown if you can see it. CNC laser cut, 3/16 and 1/8 inch steel. 3-stage powder coated. Basically is everything you need to know as far as what you need to do to install it. Tools required. All the hardware is stainless steel, which is pretty awesome. I'm excited to see this thing, so I'm gonna get going on it, and I'll catch you back. Okay, first couple steps are done. Got the grills for the lights in the bumper, and I did metal fab a good portion of my life, so I see quality here. They actually have that bolt recessed, the metal cutaway, so when you put the nut on there, you don't have to fight with it. The nut goes on first, just this very top one on each side. The nut goes on first, and you slide the bolt through, and it fits like a glove. You know, you see a lot of shady stuff that when you put it on, and there's a huge gap here. I don't know if the camera's catching all this, but you know, there's a huge gap on the bottom or it's warped. I mean, this thing fits really, really, really nice and tight, nice and flush. So tailgate off, comes off just like a pair up. Pop the cables on each side here, and then this side is like the oblong, so this side pops. You tip the tailgate about a quarter of the way up or so. This side pops out, and you just slide it over off of this side. It comes right out of the way. All right, guys, so I tried hoisting this thing up by myself. It is two-man and a boy type of job. I don't know what it weighs. I should have measured it, weighed it. So what I use is a tranny jack with a block. Don't try this at home, kids. Get these bolted up on the side, 3/16 brackets. And then up in here, it's hard to see, but it actually goes over the box pivot mounts. So not only does it stiffen up the actual box pivot mounts, as you can see, like I said, these bolts got to go there and there yet, so 4 of those. So that's what I'm gonna do next, but I wanted to give everybody an idea of what it was gonna take roughly, because it is ridiculously heavy, super well built. So I'll finish it up and give you a preview in the next little clip here. All right, guys, winch is not wired and the lights are not wired, but the bumper's installed. And to say that it's Stout is an understatement by far. It's really strong. Really, really well built. So it's got brackets that go up in the factory location. Oops, stupid camera. There. And then this 3/16 piece, welded top, bottom sides, gusseted from the inside. Mounts up on where the normal bed pivot goes. There's the LED lights on both sides. I'm really impressed. That looks damn nice. I'm excited to put the winch on it and give her hell somewhere.